problems and creativity. So far we have been discussing about writing creative solutions to math problems, and how to formally write these creative rules that your child has written, by studying about arguments and conclusions and logic. Before we further get onto studying math in a creative way, let us go through a couple of situations first. The first challenge. As you see in the illustration, the alphabet A and F has gone inside the circle and alphabets B, D and C has gone outside the circle. Please decide where the rest of the alphabets should be written, which alphabets should go inside the circle and which alphabets should be written outside the circle. Please pause the video to think over the solution while we proceed to the second challenge now. A prince was imprisoned in a dark dungeon by his wicked minister. The walls of his cell were 3 foot thick and went down 50 feet into the earth, twice the height of the cell. Through the sunlight from the skylight above, the prince noticed that the floor was hard-packed mud. One evening, after weeks of despair, the prince sharpened a metal plate edges with an iron chain and started to dig the earth floor. The guard saw him but only grinned in amusement since there was no way he could tunnel his way out. What do you think was the prince's plan? These are very good examples by Sri David Lewis, to prove how the route to a solution can be blocked by an inability to use creative imagination on a situation. If you are still thinking over the letter and circle problem, it is probably because you hunted for some complicated relationship between the groups of letters. This is not the right way to find the answer. The key lies in the shape of the letters rather than whether they are vowels or consonants. Those with the straight lines go inside the circle. Alphabets with curved lines go outside the circle. As for the prince, all he had to do was to pile enough earth into a mound, stand on it and reach the skylight. Here the trick was to focus your attention not on the hole but on the earth removed in order to create the tunnel. So, what is the thinking style that your child needs to see creatively and find a solution? The American psychologist, J.P. Guilford at the University of Southern California, revealed about 2 types of thought processes. One was convergent thinking, which involved the search for the right, or the best, solution to a problem. The other he termed divergent thinking. Here there is no right or best answer and novelty and originality are the key to success. Understanding the unique benefits of divergent thinking. How do we train our child in that? Let us see about it in our next video. Task for you. A worksheet for creative thinking is provided along with the illustrations as a PDF document. Please take a printout in A4 size paper and explain the worksheet to your kid. Remember, this is not about math but just about creativity in developing thinking style, and ask her or him to creatively solve them. Once your child takes up the question and answers, check the possible correct answers in the link provided in the description of this video and discuss as required. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.